Hi everybody. So today is my Whatever Wednesday, and so I'm just going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. And I keep saying I'm going to do a DIY, and I am going to do that. It probably won't be on a Whatever Wednesday though, because I want to show you what I'm doing. But that being said, at the end of this video, I'm going to do like these little things where they got like surprise things inside of them. They call blind bags, so stay for that, okay? So how cute are these Easter signs, right? Now I've seen things like this before, but I haven't seen them with the bunnies on the top. And there's another one right beside it that's a little bit different. And those are the only two I saw, but they are definitely different from each other. How cute are those little sayings, right? Bunny crossing with the little bunny. They're so cute. So those are the first two items from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we started off with some Easter stuff, and now I'm going to show you some of the stuff I needed, because I love this stuff. This stuff actually really helps me. And again, I'm not like trying to, say go out and get this, because I don't like to say that about any kind of medication, but I'm just letting you know that this has the regular Tylenol in it, and it has caffeine in it. So I use that when I go to work because it kind of gives me a little bit of a pick-me-up because of the caffeine in it. It doesn't bother me, so I'm just letting you know that, guys. But again, I'm not here to say go get this. Whenever I show medication on here, even if it's just Tylenol, I like to say that. And then I got my favorite deodorant because I like the one that has the powder fresh scent to it. That's my favorite one of all. I love the way that smells. And for those of you who know that my storage unit I'm sorry about this light, I'm trying to get the light really, really good. For those of you who know that my storage unit got flooded, I had to go get my boots on yesterday because they have like a lot of like sooty stains on the bottom of my storage unit, but there's no water in there anymore, but there was water damage. So I have like these pair of like rubber boots that I have to wear, and I'm allergic to latex, and these are latex, but these are not. So I'm going to put these on first, and then I'll put these on just in case like anything at the bottom that I have to touch, which I'm going to try to avoid at all costs, or maybe I'll just bring these and just use these for like my dishes with these in them as well. I don't know what I'm going to do, but anyway, I figured I'd get both because those were cute. And I am doing Easter baskets, so I figured two of my granddaughters like to wear the eyelashes, so they can fight over which one they want. I probably should have got two of the same, I don't know, but this is so cute and this is so cute, right? And also, I ended up, you know what, let's open one of them and see what they look like inside. Trust me, they won't care if I open it. They don't really care about stuff like that. So let's see what we got here. I'm sorry about the kind of mood lighting, right? Okay, so there you got the mirror, and then I guess you put the little eyelashes right there, right? So you can carry like 3 sets of eyelashes. Wow, that's pretty cool for people who really, really, put the eyelashes on all the time. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then I just happened to see this, and I was like, I had never seen this before. Unless I haven't, I just don't remember. Lash glue liner by that Ioni. I keep wanting to call that Tony. I guess it looks like it says Tony real quick. But that's lash glue liner. Latex free, 100% vegan. So I guess you probably just like run it along the lash thing and then stick it on your lashes, I'm assuming. But anyway, I grabbed that for them as well. And there's a cute little wood sign. I like it because it's like a tier tray size. It's not too big. It looks like it's only like 3 inches tall by 3 inches wide, maybe, if like the It might be like 4 inches tall, I don't know, but it's cute and it would fit right in the tier tray, I would think. I like that. And you could paint it if you want to. I could paint that red, I could paint it pink. It's really cute. They had another color there, and I want to say that they had, gee, I can't remember. It might have been black. I'm not definite. Okay, and then I got these really cute, you know, the low cut socks. And I did get matching ones this time. Somebody Loves You. I thought those were really cute. How adorable are they? And here's a pair of socks that say, I love you, but the U has like a s'more for the O. S'more. That is so adorable too. I got those for me. And then I grabbed 2 packs of these, and you know, because I was thinking to myself, you know, you can actually paint these hearts. These are like little wood hearts, but if they don't fit the color that you want, like I have a particular DIY in mind for like, I saw something at one of the higher end stores and they had like a whole bunch of hearts on the picture. So I'm thinking I'm going to do a smaller version of it and then I'll show it to you guys. But, so that's why I only got 2 packs of these. But you can actually do, like I said, paint these any color you want. Even the pink ones, you can paint them red. And then I got this for my fairy garden. I've been getting a lot of little pieces here and there for the fairy garden. And this is a wishing well. Let me open it up because it is so adorable. Okay, so there's the little wishing well, but it looks like there's like a little cupcake on the top of it. But then how cute is that little wishing well, right? Oh my god, that is so adorable. And then this thing here, let me see what it even is. I don't know what you would call that, but that's just so cute too, right? Oops, sorry about that. And then how adorable is this? It's like a little mold, like a little peep bunny with that. Let's open it up and see. And guys, again, I know I keep saying it, but I'm super sorry about the light in here. But sometimes I just can't do it till I get home from work, you know? Hold on, let me get this out. Okay, so let's push this in. That's probably going to use the whole thing of it. Let me see. I'll push it in and then I'll come back, save time. Okay, so it's all in there, but I don't know if I pushed it in hard enough. But let's see if it molded into that. If I can get it out without ripping it apart. Let me see. I don't know if I'm going to have time for the blind bag. Hold on, let me try to get it out on my own. Alright, I got it started, so let's take it out now. Oh, it did. It came out so cute, right? I'm going to get a better light on it. It came out cute. I messed it up on the ear, though. Let's do a couple of little blind bags. They're like mini things. Okay, so I got 5 of them, but I don't think I'll have time for more than 1 or 2. But they're supposed to be like little food things. So let's see what this one is, because I already started this one. So, oh my god. It's like a little taco. How so cute it is, right? I hope I don't run out of time. Look at the taco. Let me take it out. Okay, so there's the taco. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know what that is. But how adorable are those things, right? And let me try one more. Watch me get the same thing in the other bag. Okay, I'm just going to shuffle them around and hopefully I won't get the same thing in the other bag. I'll take this one. But sometimes they do have repeats, you know. Oh my god, look how adorable it is! I probably won't have time to open these guys. But what is this supposed to be? This is bakery treats. Okay? So thanks so much for watching, guys. This is my Whatever Wednesday, and I appreciate you coming along, even though I have like a dingy light over here. And I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now. And guys, in case you're wondering, I got these for the dollhouse, for the table. For like, you know, the table in the kitchen, although it might be too big. But that's so adorable.